Yeah, please. Baby, you're my truck, you get me high. I feel it. You're all I need.
What is up, you guys? Stevie here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently, I purchased the shoe of my dreams. I have been wanting this sneaker for the longest time. I've been saving up my money for it, and as you guys can see from the title, it is none other than these Balenciaga Track Runners in the brand new all-white colorway. Like I said, I've been wanting this bad boy for so long, and up until this point, the Balenciaga Track has been around for a minute now, but all of the existing colorways, never really spoke to me. There was never really anything that was, they were all nice, don't get me wrong, but there was nothing that was kind of colorway that I was really kind of gravitating towards. And then this brand new all-white colorway came out and I saw it and I was like, 100% I have to have it. So with that being said, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a full review and unboxing and styling of the Balenciaga Track Runners. I put together 3 outfits for you guys to kind of showcase how I personally would style the Balenciaga Tracks. Each outfit is fairly different. We got a semi-casual one, a super casual one, and a somewhat of a dressier option. So hopefully there's a little something in here for everyone. So I'll go ahead and play those B-roll clips, kind of get a nice little lookbook cinematic vibe going, and then after that I'll see you guys back here for a full review and unboxing of the actual sneaker. Before we get into it, if you could give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, yada yada yada. You guys already know what it is. Just give this video a thumbs up, and as always, drop me some love in the comments down below afterwards, because I love hearing from you guys. But enough rambling, this is literally the world's longest intro, so without further ado, sit back, get cozy, and let's get into today's video.
See, my days are cold without you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Back to you. Back to you. Yeah. Back to you. Back to you.
Hopefully you guys can enjoy that little lookbook situation, and definitely drop a comment down below and let me know which outfit was your favorite. Me personally, I loved outfit number 1, which kind of like that whole earth tone, tonal situation. So now shifting gears and kind of moving into the actual review and unboxing of the Balenciaga Tracks. Oh, I'm so excited to be filming this video. I just can't believe that I actually purchased these shoes. Honestly, just a quick disclaimer before moving forward, this video is 100% going to be fairly chatty / lengthy. I want to answer a lot of the questions that I personally had when I was kind of doing my research for these specific shoes. So if I'm looking down, that means I'm looking at my computer because I have some points that I definitely want to make sure I hit. All right, so moving into the actual sneaker, I picked these Balenciaga Track Runners up at the Balenciaga store in Las Vegas. I was there like on vacation with a bunch of my friends and stuff. Pulled up to the store and it was in stock, so I picked it up. So this is what the shoe comes in. It comes in, of course, the standard Balenciaga gray package. So let's go ahead and take it out of the thing. So this is what the actual shoe box looks like. It is in just a gray box and it says Balenciaga in the front. And then when you go ahead and open up the box, you are I'm trying to make sure this shit doesn't fall, but anyways, you are greeted with your receipt, which is in just really nice kind of just white Balenciaga paper. You grade it with some extra laces, which is going to be the same color as the actual laces that are already on the shoes. And then of course, you get a nice, really big dark gray dust bag for the shoes when you're traveling and stuff like that. So now kind of diving into the actual shoes. So when you open it and when you take it out, everything is nicely, you know, secured and packaged and wrapped up and stuff like that. And then on the inside, I don't know if you guys can see it, this is what the Balenciaga tracks in the all white colorway look like. Let me go ahead and take these out and then we can get into some more details. All right, you guys, so these are what the Balenciaga track looks like. And again, the brand new all white colorway. Oh my gosh, I'm just so gassed that I have these. But anyways, going back into the review, like I said, I did pick these up from the Vegas store. And these shoes right here do retail for, I believe it was $895 US before tax, which is pretty standard for Balenciaga shoes. My triple S's were $950 US. So that's just kind of like a little comparison for you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and hold one because holding both is gonna, it's a little awkward. Kind of diving into the actual shoe, my initial thoughts when I first saw this shoe was, I've been wanting this shoe for a long time, but all of the existing colorways just never really, I don't know, it didn't do it for me. And then when this one came out, I was like, oh yes, that is it. I feel like this is me in a Balenciaga shoe. Super simple, you know, on that casual flex vibe. So this sneaker right here is in the brand new all white colorway. I don't know if it's called triple white or if people have just been calling it that, but I'm gonna be calling it that. So yeah, these are the triple white colorway. I don't know, it's just this shoe right here has so much detailing. It's kind of like 3 shoes in one. There's a base layer and then there's a cage and then there's another cage. And then of course in Balenciaga fashion, there's that super thick sole on the bottom with a really nice chunky back right here. And then of course it just says track in the back as well. And then just has some subtle detailing throughout, like with the Balenciaga logo on the tongue part. And then it says Balenciaga on the side right here on both shoes as well. And then it has the BB logo in the front. And then of course it showcases your shoe size in the front. As you guys can see from the B-roll clips, it's just such a clean and classic shoe. I feel like the combination of all of these different types of white with a hint of silver is just, I don't know, it's like a shoe that I feel like will pair well with almost everything. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. And I just feel like, me personally, I feel like this is the best colorway that has ever came out thus far, 100% hands down. So a couple of things that I wanted to mention about the Balenciaga track is, for one, the sizing is a little weird in my opinion, and let me tell you why. So if you guys are regular here, you would know that I just recently picked up the Balenciaga triple S's as well, and I purchased those in a size 42, which is a US size 9, and those fit me like perfectly. You know, there's not really much give, it just fits me like a gem. And then I went ahead into the store and I tried on these shoes, and I tried on a 42 in these, and for some reason it was so big. It was stupid big. There was so much room in there. So I went ahead and I sized down to a size 41, which is a US size 8. I don't know what it is, but this shoe right here fits me so perfectly. And I don't even remember the last time I ever purchased something in a US size 8. I must have been in high school or something. But yeah, it's just crazy how it fits differently in my opinion. I know some other people say that it's like the same size for them, but I don't know. In my opinion, I would definitely size down just because the actual silhouette of the track is so much bigger than the triple S within itself. So that's just something to kind of keep in mind. But I would highly recommend, if you guys have a chance, to just, you know, go into the store and really try multiple sizes to make sure that you guys land your perfect size, because the last thing you want to do is spend almost $1,000 on shoes that don't even fit you. So that's just kind of something to keep in mind when it comes to sizing. I personally would say size down one full size, but again, that's just me. Everyone's foot is different, so just something to keep in mind. All right, so the next thing that I wanted to talk about is kind of the comfort level of the Balenciaga tracks. 100% hands down, no cap. These shoes right here are so much more comfortable than the Balenciaga triple S's. If any of you guys own a pair of the triple S's, you already know what it is. Those are cement blocks. It's so hard to walk in those shoes. Maybe it's just me, maybe I'm just complaining, but I feel like the triple S's, there's no give when it comes to the sole. It's just one hard piece. When you're walking, you kind of have to walk like this. In my opinion, the triple S's aren't the most comfortable shoe to wear, but it is just so nice. You know, it's such a flex. It's just one of those things that, you know, you can throw it on and it instantly makes your whole outfit look on point. But with these, I feel like it does the same thing in terms of, you know, making your outfit that much more better. But at least with the Balenciaga tracks, these are so comfy. I can wear this all day, 100%. There's so much give. Shoes, like, you know, you see I'm bending them. And when you guys look at the shoe, you would assume that it's heavy, right? Because it's so chunky, you know, especially with the over exaggerated sole and kind of with the whole caging system, you would assume, right, paranoid that these are super heavy, but they're not. These Balenciaga tracks, in my opinion, are so much more lightweight and just so much more convenient and kind of more practical than the triple S's. So if any of you guys are, you know, you're thinking about investing in a pair of Balenciagas, or you're kind of wondering like, oh, are these shoes even comfortable? I 100% believe that these shoes are so comfy, way more comfy than the triple S's. There shouldn't even be a comparison, honestly. But anyways, it's definitely something that I wanted to mention because I feel like people are going to be kind of put off when they see this, especially with, again, the whole chunkiness of the overall shoe. A lot of people are just going to assume that, you know, it's uncomfortable or it's heavy or something, but that is definitely not the case with these shoes. Like I said, super comfy, and I definitely can wear these all day. That's kind of all I had to say about the Balenciaga Track. Like I've been saying throughout this whole video, I feel like this colorway is the most perfect colorway. It's the most nicest color that has ever come out in terms of the tracks, and I just love all the detailings throughout the shoe, the super exaggerated, really thick sole, even how it says like Balenciaga on the bottom, and just like the little details that they put within the shoe, the subtle pops of silver, the different types of laces that they use. And as you guys can see from the B-roll clips, this shoe right here has pre-distressing on it, so there's some areas of the shoe that's already quote unquote dirty, so to speak, and that is kind of how the shoe came. And I don't know, for me personally, I feel like that's a nice touch. If it was just all bright white, it would just kind of look like every other all white shoe. So it's just little things like that that I feel like kind of set apart the Balenciaga tracks from any other shoe. In my humble opinion, I feel like this shoe is definitely the shoe to kind of, you know, watch out for, to kind of cop. The tracks are definitely having its moment right now. The triple S's were kind of doing that maybe like last year or 2 years ago. As of right now, I feel again the track is really having a moment, and if I personally had to recommend investing in a Balenciaga shoe, it would definitely be the Track Runners. But yeah, just really like everything about the shoe. I'm super stoked to kind of style this, put some fits together, and take some good fit pics with these shoes. So that's why you guys have to follow me on my Instagram. It's just my name, at @STEVIE. I'll throw it up on the screen so you guys can kind of, you know, stay up to date. All right, you guys, and that is it for my full review slash unboxing slash styling of the Balenciaga Track Runners in the brand new all white colorway. If you made it this far, you are a real one. Like I mentioned, I wanted this video to be fairly long because I wanted to make sure I cover each point, and I just kind of wanted to make sure that you guys left this video feeling informed. You know, if you are thinking about copying this shoe, I hope that I answered all of your questions, and if I didn't, just drop a comment down below and I'll try to answer back to you as fast as I can. Overall, super solid shoe. I'm super gassed that I, you know, bought these, and these shoes right here are definitely an investment 100%, but I personally believe I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them, so I'm excited to kind of style them up and see the type of outfits I can put together featuring these shoes right here. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, drop me some love in the comments, because I always say this, but I genuinely love hearing from you guys. Like, I get so gassed when you guys comment, even if it's just the most smallest things, like the little lightning bolt emojis. That's kind of like our thing over here on this channel. So, you know, drop those emojis, or just, I don't know, drop me a question. Let's get a conversation going. If you have any more questions about the track, just DM me on my Instagram, or, you know, just again, comment down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm actually about to head out right now to take some fit pics with these shoes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.